How to get $20 Costco coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Costco coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Just scroll and check out the offers: $30 off, $20 off, 70% off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. With that, you're gonna get the code for it, copy it, then click on redeem at Costco. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you'll get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Costco. Also, you can head back to the website. You can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Just scroll and check out the offers. So this way you can easily get up to $20 working coupon code for Costco. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.